Mais quelques phrases yo plus utilisées en anglais. How are you today? How are you today? Comment est aujourd'hui? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Moi sentim bien. I'm feeling good. Can you help me? Can you help me? Est-ce qu'on peut aider? Can you help me? I need a break. I need a break. Besoin en pause. I need a break. What time is it? What time is it? Qu'il est lié? What time is it? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Moi désolé. I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Merci. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. De rien. You're welcome. I don't understand. I don't understand. Moi pas comprendre. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Est-ce que vous pouvez répéter ça? Can you repeat that? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? Qui côté ben là yé? Where is the bathroom? I'm running late. I'm running late. Marita, I'm running late. Abonnez-vous pour continuer à apprendre plus.